Hello, hello, and welcome back. All right, we're on lesson 222, problem 2, tax 65. And this looks familiar, doesn't it? Copy these diamond problems and use the pattern you discovered earlier, shown at the right, to complete each of them. Ooh, some of these may be challenging. All right, well, let's see. Let's see if they can really challenge us. Let's go for A first. So we've got 7 over here on the left, nothing on the right, and negative 98. Okay. Uh, is that even a multiple of 7? Maybe this is where they're going to get tricky. Alright, so something times 7 is negative 98. Shoot, I actually don't know what that is. Let's see what 98 divided by 7 is. 98 divided by 7 equals 14. Oh, it really is. It does go in there. Shoot, look at that. Alright, so 14. So I guess it's going to be negative 14 on there. So let me, how should I do this? Let's draw this one out. Alright, let's do that. Let's do that. And then let's move that over there. So the first one, so for A, what do we got here? We got, where's my squiggly? There we go. So we got negative 98 up here. We got 7 over here. And I guess we're going to have negative 14 over here, right? And then what are we going to do? We want to add these together, and so we're going to get negative 7. Alright, well, other than that division part, the rest was pretty straightforward. So that's the first one. Okay, so let's do B. Alright, so we've got 3, man, that's a terrible 3. 3 over 2 over here, and then we got 3 over 2 over here. Well, that should be pretty easy to add, shouldn't it? Because the denominators are the same. So what is that going to be? Well, that's going to be 6 over 2, right? Because the denominators, because they're the same, we're adding, they're just going to stay 2. And then the numerator is going to be 3 plus 3, which is 6. So it would be 6 over 2, but I see they're trying to be tricky. 6 divided by 2 is 3. There we go. So that's that one. And then what's the top? It's going to be 3 times 3, which is 9. And then the bottom is going to be 2 times 2, which is 4. So 9/4. Alright, so that's B right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the next one, which is C. Alright, what do we got here? Ooh, okay, we got some more tricky fractions. 5 over 4, so 5/4. And then we've got negative 5 halves. Ooh, okay. So now we want to divide it, right? So we're going to say 5/4 divided by 5 halves. What is that going to be? What is that going to be? All right, so let's go ahead and write this down just in case it isn't obvious what this is. They're kind of tricky, but not really. So we're doing, so let's see if I can do this here. 5/4. And we want to do, where's my division sign? Divided by, we're going to do negative, right? So let's see. So negative 5 halves equals what? Well, since we're dividing, let's just do the numerator divided by the numerator. So 5 divided by negative 5 is negative 1, right? Negative 1. Why is that true? Because negative 1 times negative 5 is 5. Boom. What's 4 divided by 2? 2. Negative 1/2. Alright, how would we know? How would we check this? Well, you just multiply this by this, right? So negative 5 times negative 1 is 5. 2 times 2 is 4. Boom, 5/4. So the answer to the one on the left is negative 1/2. So let's write negative, I don't know why it doesn't like my negative. Negative 1/2. Okay? Cool, because negative 1 times negative 5 is 5. 2 times 2 is 4. 4. Boom. Negative times negative is positive. Good to go. Alright, and now we want to add these two together. Well, again, thankfully, the denominators are the same. So we're just going to add them. So what's negative 1 plus negative 5 is negative 6, right? Denominator stays the same. Oh, tricky again. Negative 6 divided by 2 is what? Is negative 3. Boom. Good to go. Done. All right, cool. Let's do D. Let's see what we got here for D. We got negative 10, and we've got 0. So what plus negative 10 is 0? Maybe 10? Negative 10 plus 10? 0. What's negative 10 times 10? Negative, because it's negative times a positive is a negative, 100. Boom. Got it. What do they mean some of these may be challenging? Come on. Silly. Alright, cool. One down.